Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT comes standard with a few features. You've got a remote entry keypad on the door there. On the interior you've got power window controls, blind spot mirror, power adjustable mirrors, cloth seating, manually adjustable. You've also got a third row bench seat for the front seat. Electric parking brake is on the left here with interior lighting controls. You do have an infotainment screen here, halogen headlights up front. Menus here include display mode with tire pressure, speedometer, and engine information, trip and fuel, towing with status and a connection checklist, off-road status and power distribution, and then you've got pre-collision with active braking, and my key and display setups. Cruise controls on the left here, you've got hands-free on the right. Steering wheel column shifter with drive modes such as normal, towing and hauling, and sport. Sync 3 sound system with satellite radio, Ford Pass, Bluetooth for your phone, and many more features. You do have a locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and then a trailer backup assist. Climate controls are located down the bottom there, and you've got 2 USB ports and a 12-volt outlet over here. You also got another 12-volt outlet on this side, and up top you've got a little cubby you can put change or keys or anything. Your third row seat up front acts as a center console when it's down with 2 cup holders, or you can throw it up and have a third passenger up front with you. Come around to the back of the F-150. Chrome tailgate on the back. You've got a rear view camera right above the Ford logo here. Trailer hitch and connections points. Drop down the tailgate. No bed liner, but you do have the option for a spray-in or a drop-in bed liner. Going in and looking into the back seat. Rear cloth seats. 40-60 split. They fold up for more storage. Your center console in the rear. Got lots of leg room. A 12-volt outlet is consisted here, 2 cup holders, and you've also got 2 USB ports just on that side over there. You've got hooks up here to hang bags or clothing from, and a dome light up top. Behind this seat here, you do have your jack stand and other cubby stuff for maintenance on the truck. And then back around to the front, chrome front bumper with a chrome grille. You've got halogen headlights and fog lights. Plow prep package on the front with your tow hooks and plow connection. All around a great vehicle to get the job done. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today to talk to a sales advisor about getting you to this F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.